In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clothing website on Wix. We'll keep things simple and clear, walking through choosing a template and then shaping it to match your brand, including adjusting your product listings through the built-in CMS and collections. Start by heading to your Wix dashboard and clicking Create New Site. You'll be asked what kind of website you want to build. Choose a template, then browse the options and look for a clothing store template that matches your style and goals. Take your time to preview a few. Pay attention to layout, use of images, and how the homepage highlights products. Look for a clear menu, featured collections, and a clean product grid. Think about your brand colors, the vibe you want to convey, and the type of clothing you sell: casual, formal, streetwear, or boutique. So the template structure supports your look from the start. When you find one that feels right, select it to open the site editor. Inside the editor, you'll see the page canvas in the center and tools around it. Every element you click, text, images, buttons, menus, can be customized. Replace placeholder text with your brand name, tagline, and category labels. Swap out stock photos for your own product and lifestyle images to build trust and tell your story. Update colors and fonts to stay consistent with your brand palette, and adjust spacing so your pages feel balanced and easy to scan. Check the header and footer to make sure your logo and navigation are clear. As you work, use the built-in preview to see how things look, and switch to the mobile view to ensure the layout reads well on smaller screens. Next, update your products by editing the CMS and collections. Open the Content Manager and locate your products collection. This is where you'll edit each item's name, description, price, and images. Add size and color variants if your template supports them, and write concise, helpful descriptions that highlight fit, fabric, and key features. Organize products into meaningful categories, like new arrivals, best sellers, or specific types, so your template's galleries and product grids pull the right items. Keep your image style consistent, same backgrounds and similar framing to make your store look polished. If your template uses connected elements, confirm that product galleries, repeaters, and widgets are linked to the correct collection fields, so updates appear automatically across the site. And that's it. Choose a clothing store template you love, tailor the design to your brand, and update your products through the CMS and collections. Follow these steps, and you'll have a stylish, functional clothing website on Wix ready to showcase your lineup.